Hello guys, my name is Darlington and once again we have another video on Trachtenberg system of mathematics. So in the last video we learned how to multiply any number by 11, and I want to thank all those who contributed with suggestions, those who liked the video, and those who asked me to send the video. I would say I was somewhat disappointed by the number. But I feel okay, maybe because it's just 11, which is easy. A lot of people know how to multiply numbers by 11. So today we're going to be looking at how to multiply numbers by 12, and I hope that the reactions and the comments and let's say the general overview will be better than the first video. So I'll just go straight and share my screen. All right, so I think I should also use the slideshow. Yep, slideshow. All right, so like I said, we're looking at the Trachtenberg system, and today we're looking at multiplication of numbers by 12. So for the rules, first of all, just like multiplication by 11, we add 0 to the first number, and then we multiply the last digit on the right by 2. Next, we double each digit and then add to the digits on the right. And while we're doing all these operations, remember to carry 1 to the next digit on the left if an operation gets beyond 10. Let's just dive straight in and look at the first example we have today. So for the first example, we're going to be looking at 413 multiplied by 12. And just as the rule said, the first thing we should do is to add 0 to the number. So it becomes 0413. Now we multiply the last digit on the right by 2. The asterisk we have on top of the 3 just shows us which digit the operation being done is. It shows the digit that is being operated on. Okay, so we have to multiply the last digit on the right by 2. So we do 3 multiplied by 2 and we have 6. Remember to put each answer directly under the number we're working on. The next thing says double each digit and then add to the digit on the right. So the next digit is 1. We have to do 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2, and then we add 3 to it. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? Now we go to the next, we have to continue to the last digit. So we go to the next one, which is 4. You can see the 2 asterisks on top of it, which shows you the 2 numbers that are involved. So we're going to do 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. 8 plus 1, we have 9. So we write 9 on the 4. And we also do the 0. So we have 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We have 4,956. I hope you're following, and I hope it's easy for you. But let's look at one more example so that we can understand better. Yeah. All right. So in this example, we have 63,247 multiplied by 12. Now, normally you have to multiply a lot of numbers and then, come up with the answer or use a calculator. But then using the Trachtenberg system, the first thing you do is to add 0. So we have 063247. And then we have to multiply the last digit on the right by 2. So the last digit is 7. We do 7 multiplied by 2, which is 14. We have to write down 4 and carry 1. Remember, we said in the rules that any operation that goes beyond 10, we write the last digit and carry 1. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. We write down 4 and carry 1. Now, the dot you see on top of the 4 is just to remind us that we actually carried 1. And we go to the next digit, which is 4. We do the same thing. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, okay, because you need to add the digits on the right. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1, the one which we carried, yeah, the one which we carried from 14. So 15 plus 1 is 16. We write down 6 and carry 1. We move to the next digit. We have 2 multiplied by 2. We have 4. 4 plus 4, we have 8. 8 plus the 1 which we carried, and we have 9. We move to the next digit. We have 3 multiplied by 2. We have 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we put down our 8 here. And the next digit, we have 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. 12 multiplied by 3 is 15. Write down 5 and carry 1. So I left this last one so we can all do it. We can all write together. So my writing tools now. Okay. Yep. So let's do the last one together. Okay. So we have 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now 0 plus 6 is 6. And remember that we carried 1. So 6 plus 1 will give us 7. So our final answer, 63,247 multiplied by 12 will give us 7, 5, 8. I think I should write this with the text. So we have some big text. Let's make this here. We have 63,247 multiplied by 12 will give us 7, 5, 8, 9, 6. All right. So I think this is easy enough. Might not be as easy as the 11, but it's still easy. You just need to practice a lot. So that's the end of our video. I want you to try more numbers by yourself. I bet you it's pretty cool. The more you practice, the more you can do without paper. You can just close your eyes and just do your multiplication, and then it's so, it makes people go, wow. All right, so once again, thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Bye.